Hi and welcome to KDP. In this video today, I will be showing you how you can order author copies through Amazon KDP. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. So, ordering author copies is only available if you have previously published a book through Amazon KDP. So what you'd first want to do is go to your bookshelf within Amazon KDP. So there's a button here that says Order Author Copies. But if that isn't there, you would go over to this button with the three dots and it shows you more options that you could pick. And then you can just click Order Author Copies. Or you can also request printed proofs. And I'll click on this one first to just show you the difference between the proof copies and the author copies. So it says here, order proof copies of your book before publication. Proof copies are printed using your latest book files, which may differ from your book's live version. They will also have a not for resale watermark on the cover and a unique barcode, but no ISBN. You pay only the printing costs for your selected marketplace times the number of copies. Shipping and applicable taxes will be applied at checkout. So this would be beneficial if you want to, once you have everything laid out as far as like your manuscript and your cover, but you want to see the book before it actually goes into production, you would want to do a proof copy. So that way you can just make sure everything is right before you actually hit publish. That's not really a big deal for me because as of right now, I'm just publishing low content books, so I don't really have to check them per se, but requesting proof copies could be beneficial for you if you're doing either like medium or high content books. So when you click order author copies, it says these are the same as retail copies, the version of your book that's currently available for sale on Amazon. You only pay the printing costs for your selected marketplace times the number of copies. And again, shipping and applicable taxes will be applied at checkout. So right in here, you would put the order quantity that you're looking for. And it says here that you can order up to 999 copies at a time. And so for ordering author copies, that would be good for if, say you're having an in-person event, maybe you're selling at like a yard sale. Well, maybe not a yard sale, but like one of those, places where you can bring, your artwork and sell things there, block party, anything like that. You can order author copies, and like it says, they're the same ones that if somebody went on Amazon and ordered them themselves, that would be the book they would get. But you can order author copies at a lesser price. You just pay the printing plus the shipping, and then you can in turn sell those wherever you're going to be selling those in person for, whatever price you want. So again, you just have to pick the marketplace for your order. Since I'm in the United States, it is Amazon.com. And it's showing me here that the total cost would be $2.15 US dollars times 1 because that is the quantity I put in the box. So once that's good, you hit submit order. And it takes you to your shopping cart on Amazon. And then all you would do from here is just continue ordering through Amazon, like I'm sure a lot of people know how to do. And then you'd get your book. So these books are not eligible for Amazon Prime. So it says here it usually ships within 2 to 3 weeks. And I just wanted to pop in here real quick and mention about the author copies. They only stay in your Amazon cart for 24 hours. So if you don't check out within 24 hours, they'll be removed from your cart and you'll have to go through this whole process again. So just so you know. So I clicked on proceed to checkout just so I can show you what the estimated delivery date would be. Today is December 23rd, and it is saying that with standard shipping, if I were to order these today, I would get them Friday, January 13th. So that's about 3 weeks. And then you can also pay for 2-day shipping, and that's 2-day shipping after the books have been produced. And it's estimating January 12th or January 13th, but you would have to pay a little bit extra for the shipping. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more content like this. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.